You look a bit tired.
Yeah, I feel drained.
Long day at work?
Very long day.
Something specific happened?
Yes, something small.
Small but heavy?
Exactly like that.
Tell me what happened.
I was ignored today.
Ignored by who?
My team mostly.
During a meeting?
Yes, in meeting.
What exactly happened?
They moved ahead quickly.
Without asking you?
Yes, without asking me.
That feels frustrating.
Very frustrating moment.
Did you try speaking?
I hesitated a lot.
Why did you hesitate?
I felt unsure
Unsure about what?
if my idea mattered.
Your idea always matters.
It did not feel like that.
Feelings can confuse us.
Yes, they really can.
What did you feel inside?
I felt invisible there.
Invisible is painful.
It hurt more than expected.
Did anyone notice you?
I do not think so.
Maybe they were busy.
Maybe, but still hurt.
That makes sense.
I stayed quiet after.
For the whole meeting?
Yes, almost silent.
That must feel long.
It felt endless.
Did someone ask later?
No one asked me.
That adds more pain.
Yes, much more pain.
What did you think then?
Maybe I'm not needed.
Do you believe that?
Part of me does.
And the other part?
Says, speak next time.
That voice is important.
But it feels weak.
Because fear is louder.
Yes, fear is loud.
What scares you most?
Being ignored again.
Or speaking wrongly?
Both scare me.
That is very honest.
I am trying honesty.
That helps a lot.
Still feels uncomfortable.
Growth feels uncomfortable.
I guess that is true.
What did you do after?
I left early.
Without talking to anyone?
Yes, I avoided people.
Did that help you?
It felt safe only.
Safe, but not solved.
Exactly, not solved.
Are you still thinking?
All day, I think.
What repeats in mind?
Why they skipped me.
Do you know reason?
No clear reason.
Then mind fills gaps.
With negative thoughts.
That is very common.
I hate that pattern.
You can change it.
How can I change?
Start with small action.
What kind of action?
Ask simple question.
To my team?
Yes, calmly ask them.
What should I say?
Ask if they missed you.
That sounds simple.
Keep it very simple.
No blame in tone.
Exactly, no blame.
Just clarity only.
Yes, just clarity.
I feel nervous though.
That is completely normal.
What if awkward moment?
Awkward is okay,
Hard to accept that.
but it helps growth.
I want to grow.
Then take that step.
Even with fear?
Yes, even with fear,
That feels challenging.
but also empowering.
I like that idea.
You deserve clarity.
I want to believe that.
Say it out loud.
I deserve clarity.
Say it again slowly.
I deserve clarity.
Feel those words.
I feel a little.
That is a start.
Still a bit scared.
Fear will stay sometimes.
Then what changes?
You act anyway.
Act with fear?
Yes, with fear present.
That sounds powerful.
It really is powerful.
I want to try.
Try or decide.
I will decide.
That sounds stronger.
I feel stronger now.
What about tomorrow?
I will talk to them.
You will talk tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
How will you start?
I will stay calm.
That is a good start.
Then I ask simply,
What will you ask?
did you miss me?
That sounds clear.
Simple and direct.
No blame in tone.
Yes, no blame.
That builds trust.
I want that.
What if they pause?
I will stay calm.
Then what next?
I will listen carefully.
Listening is powerful.
Yes, I see that.
What if answer hurts?
I will accept it.
That takes courage.
I am choosing courage.
Say it again.
I choose courage.
Feel it deeply.
I feel stronger now.
That is progress.
Small but real.
Small is enough.
I believe that now.
What about fear?
Still there inside.
That is normal.
I accept it now.
Fear can stay.
But I act.
Exactly that point.
That feels powerful.
You are growing fast.
I feel some change.
You changed thinking.
Yes, I did.
That changes actions.
I see that clearly.
Tomorrow is new.
Yes, new moment.
Not same situation.
Feels similar though.
But you are different.
Yes, I am different.
That matters most.
I believe that now.
What if ignored again?
I will speak up.
What will you say?
I am here too.
That is powerful.
Simple but strong.
Simple always works.
I will keep simple.
No overthinking anymore.
I will reduce that.
That helps confidence.
Yes, I feel lighter.
That is a good sign.
Talking helped me.
It always helps.
I feel ready now.
Not perfect ready.
Just ready enough.
That is enough.
I will go tomorrow.
And speak clearly.
Yes, calmly speak.
No hiding anymore.
No hiding again.
That is real growth.
I feel proud now.
You should feel proud.
I faced my fear.
That is a big step.
Yes, very big step.
Say it clearly.
I faced my fear.
And you stayed present.
Yes, I stayed.
That shows strength.
I am strong now.
Say it again.
I am strong now.
Believe it fully.
I truly believe now.
Now take action.
I will take action.
Tomorrow proves everything.
Yes, tomorrow proves